How to use this heat machine. This heat machine has the black wires are for 240, okay? It has 2 wires for 240, and it has 4 wires. Yellow wires are for 120. First, we're gonna start with the 240. The 2 wires, the black wires are 240. These ones you're gonna plug to the PTAC, to the air conditioner, where you connect the air conditioner unit. Okay, you're gonna unplug the PTAC, and you're going to connect to that one. But for this one, you need 2 different rooms. You cannot plug it to, in case you have both on one and the same breaker, you need different breakers. And then you're gonna connect the other one, the second one. You're gonna plug it. You're gonna plug it to another room and a different breaker. So I'm running this wire all the way here to the next room. Okay, you're gonna need a long wire. So I have that one plugged to another 240. This one is 240, so this is central unit, central air unit. Now that up, I need to clean the filter now. Okay, and then those are the 2 wires for 240. Now we have 4 wires, 120. These ones I'm also having plugged in the machine. As you can see, they're coming from here. You're gonna plug it to 2 different breakers to it possible. If not, okay, the breaker is gonna blow off. Okay, I have this one right here. This is for the room, and the second one I have it for the GFCI. Okay, these are 2 different breakers. It's better if you have 2 different breakers. Okay, so now this is on the second room. On the other one, I do the same. Okay, on the other one, and you need to unplug all, like the fridge, a microwave, anything that's using power. I'm gonna turn off the light because this machine is going to draw a lot of power. So the other one, I have one to the wall right there, where the fridge was plugged, and the other one I have it right here in the bathroom. It has to be on the GFCI. These are 2 different breakers. So I'm gonna turn off all the lights, because I'm gonna leave the room. Okay, but let me show you how this works. Okay, once you have everything plugged, you have to make sure you have some airflow. You have enough space, because this thing is going to get really hot. It's going to get to 130 to 140 Fahrenheit. So make sure you have anything close that might get burned. So I had to remove the TV. I had to remove the TV. Anything that's electronic is going to get really hot. So I removed the TV. I removed the phone, and anything that it's electronics you need to remove, because it's going to get really hot. So now, okay, so then this is how you use it. Right here, the airflow. Make sure nothing is blocking right here, the fan. You see, you get the controls right here. Main power. There's the main power is just the fan is going to start working. When you push the heat apply, is when it's going to start heating. Okay. So all the you have to make sure whatever you want to the heat to blow is going to be right here. Okay. It's blowing this way. So now what we need to do, first you're gonna hit the main power. You're gonna hit the main power, and this green light is going to turn on. If this green light don't turn on, that means one of the wires is not right. So if I unplug one of the powers is going to turn off. It's going to start working. You see? this one needs all the 4 wires to stop working. Okay, so I'm gonna plug this back. Okay, so it's working now. So it doesn't say ready. You need to make sure all your wires have power. So once it says ready, right here you're gonna do the temperature. That's the temperature right now. You're gonna put the heat applied, and then the plumber is gonna start getting really hot, all the way to 130. So we wanna leave this room right here for 5 hours, 5 to 6 hours, no more than that, or the room is going to overheat or the machine might overheat. You have to keep it away like a 5 6 hours, and then when it's time to stop it, you're gonna come back like in 5 6 hours. First thing you're gonna do is you're going to turn off the heat applied. Turn this one off. You're gonna let it run like a 3-5 minutes, the fans by itself, cool down everything, and then you're going to turn off the main power. And you have to do this for the next day. You have to do it again. Run another 5 6 hours. Okay. So that's how you use this heat machine. All right. Like and subscribe, please.